Gilly Boo. Gilly Boo.
Yeah.
Gilly Boo.
Yeah.
Your guy, give me the cutaway again. Your guy going back to Mulaba in a dread yo. Musaja ye Muanga.
Aha.
Muanga is your name.
Yes.
Oli Musaja Muganda.
Aha.
But you can't speak it.
Yeah. I can't speak it, but I'm there.
You're listening.
I'm listening.
First, hello to Ugandans watching you right now.
Hey everyone in Uganda, what's up? It's your boy Gilly Moo, and I'm so happy to be home, so happy to be here. Thank you for having me, honestly.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome
to Come on, man.
Oh no, guy, first of all, you're a lad from Naguru.
I am.
Bakuzalawa, you said Naguru.
Naguru.
Bakuzalawa,
Naguru.
Wakulirawa,
Naguru. Yeah, that's what we're doing right here. We like that.
So Naguru, wherever you go, shout out to you people. You have a star in the house.
Yeah.
So you've been to these so many competitions in the US.
Yes.
You've been. Is it true? I was telling my audience. I was googling about you, and which year was it? You were on the semi-final.
Last year.
Last year. These guys were on the semi-final of
Britain's Got Talent.
Has Got Talent.
Yes.
And
I'm fortunate enough to be able to say I've been on every TV show in Uganda. Britain's Got Talent, Got to Dance, Move Like Michael Jackson, every single one.
How about America's Got Talent?
America's based in America.
Yes.
I'm based in UK.
In UK, so
yes.
But I've seen some fly from
there. We've done work in America. We've flown over there. We've done work in America.
You stand here so that the guys see you.
Sorry, I apologize. We've done work in America, Hong Kong, Amsterdam, Lithuania, you name it, we've done it. All representing Uganda.
I'm kidding. So I love it. You know, when I was doing research, we have the kids, our kids called Esther and Ezekiel.
Okay.
You've seen them?
Yeah.
Ronnie Ojakun for a clip here, Esther and Ezekiel. They've done so good in Canada. They've shocked the world. Yeah. People are commenting about them. So I'm like, okay, have we gotten any other Ugandan doing this? And there I was trying to Google and I came across this young man. So, Dave, do you tell Ugandan people that you're Ugandan?
I do. I tell them I'm Ugandan, but I tell them I'm the only one in Britain of my family from Uganda. Because everybody that is from Uganda is actually here. So this is officially my homecoming. Just because I've been putting so much work in Uganda, in UK, I said I had to come home.
So which means, Ani Muganda, you were born in Uganda, in Uganda and flew, or you were born on the other side?
I was the only one in my whole family born in UK.
But the rest of
everybody's still here.
Everyone is still here.
Still here.
So how old are you and when were you born?
I'm 27.
27. Yeah. So 27 years you've been in the UK. Exactly. Have you been coming back?
Yeah, I come back every 3 years, but COVID had messed everything up. So I was meant to come back 3 years ago, and then COVID happened. So
do you embrace Britain more, or you embrace Uganda more?
Hell no, I embrace Uganda more. My whole family is here. So that's why I came home to relearn the tongue, relearn the culture, embrace the culture so I can fly the flag back home.
So, Olimsajja Muganda. Bakuyitani. What is your name? You speak your name.
My name is Naziri Mwanga.
Naziri Mwanga.
He's here. I represent it all the time, yo.
Olimusajja wa Kabaka. Do you know what that means? Olimusajja wa Kabaka.
Tell me what it means.
Do you know what it means?
I know.
You are the king's man. You know, every man in Buganda, in Muganda, is a king's man.
Hey.
So you should be proud of your king. You call yourself wherever you go, you're like, yeah, Nimusajja wa Kabaka, I'm the king's man.
I'm the king's man.
Yes.
Yes. We like that.
So, okay, we have a lot to catch up. I'm happy. First of all, I'm excited. You are Ugandan that is doing so much impact out there.
I'm trying my best.
Are people recognizing you there? Are Ugandans out there recognizing your efforts that
honestly,
you're putting on?
In UK, Ugandan, we're a small community. We're not as big as we want to be, which is why I'm trying to expose us, because I believe we have the talent, we have everything that we need. We just need the support, because in UK, when I tell them I'm Ugandan, they're like, really?
UK, they don't really recognize Uganda that much.
Not as much as they should.
And we expect tourists to come from UK to Uganda.
You know?
So President Museveni should call you and You said Uganda.
God willing. I'd love to push it.
Okay, now back to business.
Yeah.
You've come to Uganda. When you came to Uganda, you decided to do music.
Yes.
You've done your first project in Uganda.
Yes.
This year.
Yeah.
What has triggered that? Why have you chosen to join music?
Honestly, I've always done music my whole life, but dancing, choreographing has always been my passion. So it's been what we call in London, we call it the bread and butter. So some people might be actors, but how I make my bread, how I make my butter is through the dancing and choreography is my passion. But the music, we had to evolve into it. So I didn't know how to approach it. The first time I did music, it done so well. But I had nothing next. So when they asked me what's next, I said I didn't know where I wanted to go. Where is the next chapter of me?
Of you.
My whole family was in Uganda. I started having conversations with my mother, and she said, "Hey man,
Get back home.
And it was the light bulb. It was the thing. I said, "Oh my God, why not?"
Basajja bakabaka oluzungu tugenda tugira naye kyagezaako tunyonyola omusajja muzinyi UK azina era aliira ku kuzina kubiibya amazina era nga badde ku mpaka nyingi nyonga. Ronnie, give me those cutaways for people to really relate with what I'm saying. Ali mu UK mu Bungereza gye bamuzaalira gyakulira naye famire ye eri mu Uganda era musajja muganda bamuyita Muwanga. Now aze Uganda olwokuba nti eri abikoze ayagala atandika okuba nga akizimba. Bw'oba wetegereza omusajja alina envi yoyo abo bonna ezo empaka zaabwe. Omwaka oguwedde yabiibya amazina n'ekibiina kye bayita Totas. The group was called Totas.
Yes, the Urban Turtles.
Urban Turtles.
Yes.
Yeri gye mwalabye byabadde zi Totasi nga bambadde ng'enfudu. So we bagenda ne representing breeding has got talent era ne bavaayo nga ye semi final bakubiri mu bawangudde ku finals ku semi finals bakusatu you become the third.
Yeah.
If you come off that semi final, you were the third in other words. Okay, so bali bakusatu ye musajja oyo gwe mulaba. I think it's beautiful. If Ugandan can really singa sobola utilizing this opportunity. Omusajja nagambye mu Uganda tebagimanyi nnyo abantu tebagimanyi nnyo, but if you have people like them, I think they can do a part at selling. Ate ddala afuddeyo okukyembracinga. So bebo yizeze mpaka ezamufuula owokusatu mu mpaka za breeding has got talent, mpaka za amaanyi nnyo. Tell me about talent support.
Yeah.
That side. How does the country, first of all, itself support talent? How easy is it for you to break through with your talent?
Honestly, it's amazing because they give you so much opportunity. So as long as you have the opportunity, you get to step up to the level where it's at, and then you get the global exposure. But once you have the global exposure, you can then really make something of yourself because it's up to you to put the work in. I feel that here in Uganda, there's unbelievable talent. There's the Ghetto Kids. You have Wembley. You have Eddie Wizzle.
He's Ready and Weasel.
Yeah.
They love them there. That's right.
We pay attention to them, but because they're not exposed as much as the Nigerians, the Ghanaians.
What do Nigerians do better?
Support. Hands down.
The government, the country, the funds.
They are all in. We call it in UK, we call it all in. They really support and they want to say, this is Nigeria.
This is ours.
This is ours. So now when we watch it in the UK, whether you're English, whatever, you want to be a part of that movement, that culture. Whereas in Uganda, we have the same thing. We have the talent. It's
that togetherness we have.
We have that.
So what is it we have to do now if, for example, want us to penetrate in the UK?
Yeah.
I've seen the Banner Boys fill up Wembley Stadium.
O2 Arena, Wembley, you name it, Hammersmith Apollo, they're doing it. But it's because the nation is behind them. If as Uganda, we come behind our greats, we come behind our people that are flying the flag. My dream is to unite us so that we can now go out there and say, this is us. We can represent East Africa proudly, so that other fellow underneath us, whether they're aspiring, whether they're trying to get there, they can say, that's our guy. You know?
Got it. Johnny knows that, Jono. We enjoy, man.
Yeah.
We're speaking here. Understand? Give us a break.
On time.
But anyway, we are still enjoying some stories. Now there is a lady. She's called Fie. She's a very beautiful songbird in Uganda. Now, she happens to have. She had a boyfriend. A boyfriend who came out and openly confessed that he's HIV positive. He's called MC Cat. And actually he's now an activist for young people. Yeah, he's actually decampaigning stigma in young people. When someone comes out, young man comes out and says, hey, guys, I'm sick, don't stigmatize them. He's doing that. So Fie is not sick, by the way. It can happen, you know that.
Of course.
Science. They have a kid, but certainly Fie is not sick. The girlfriend is not sick. They have actually tested and she's negative. But her biggest challenge has been stigma. People have been facing her, attacking her, stigmatizing her. When they see her on stage, instead of embracing the music, some begin pointing her. She's sick. This is a sick girl. The cat's made her sick.
Going wrong.
So today she was performing somewhere and she stood out boldly and said, guys, I think they stop this, please. Love my music. Stop stigmatizing. Stop. Just stop.
Just stop.
Let's get this story and we get back.